Hey guys, so I made my first digital sale in a truck stop parking lot with 9 kids at home, a busted laptop, and no backup plan. I didn't have a team, I didn't have any fancy branding, but what I did have, an idea, a Google Doc, and a whole lot of grit. If you ever thought, I don't know where to start, this is your starting point. Today, I'm walking you through how I created, sold, and still sell simple digital products that changed my life. So let's get this done together, shall we? Let's do this. Hey guys, so in walking you through how to do these simple digital products, let's take a look, shall we? So we're going to look for things that people are already searching for. So I'm going to go out to Answer the Public. It's a great tool. It does have pricing. It is a free tool. However, you get 3 daily searches, okay? But I'm going to also show you the completely free way to do it. Now, you can use Answer the Public, which is answerthepublic.com. You put in your topic or your brand, it's a couple words, and then it searches for what people look for on a daily basis, okay? So, like if you were to search budgeting, it's going to search on all those platforms for budgeting, right? I'm not going to sign in. You can create a free account if you choose to, okay? But you can see what it gives you, okay? So it shows you exactly what it's looking for, what it's being searched as, okay? There is a completely free way to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I need budget help. So if you notice, it's going to say, okay, look at this, right? But it's going to also show you people also ask. If you click these open, you'll notice it keeps opening more. You see this? Okay. You could do the same thing with what are digital marketers struggling with currently in 2025, right? You can look at all of these things, okay? But people also ask, okay? So you click these open. What's the future? Look at this. It's opening more. Do you see this? This is how you find out what people are already searching for. This is the key to making a solid product that solves a problem. Okay? That's what I want you guys to see, that you can find all this information without any fancy tech stacks or anything like that. You can go out to Google and get this same information just like I did. All right, on to the next piece. All right, guys, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the information that we've searched for out on Answer the Public, on Google, wherever you choose to search that information out. And now I went back into ChatGPT because I love to use ChatGPT to make my life that much simpler, okay? So I said, you have students watching, can you create me a document that I can copy and paste into Canva, please, about how to create a digital project much simpler than the answer you just gave, and please keep it at a 10th grade level. Please just give the doc form information that I can copy and paste. You want to talk to ChatGPT like it's a buddy, okay? That's an important piece here. Make sure that ChatGPT is a buddy. Seeing he knows who I am. You got it, Leslie. Super simple, easy to copy and paste doc for Canva, right? So it's going to create what is a digital product, how it works, all the things. It's going to go through and create these pieces, okay? So it's going to create that topic. Now I've done this already, okay? This is the same product that I created, that ChatGPT gave me. This is just simpler terms, all right? So what we're going to do is I created a presentation from the doc that it gave me, all right? So if I were to show you and go back, what I can go is home and show you that I put in this doc right here, okay? And all I did was use what's called Magic Switch. Now, you can do this yourself, but it does require that you pay for Canva. One of the things that I spend on my business per month because it saves me time. Now, if you don't want to do that, here's the cool part. Things don't have to be fancy to be sold. Okay. I have gotten hundreds of documents from my mentor that were just documents. You can save it in Google Docs as well. So if I were to copy this whole thing, right, I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go to Docs, right? And I'm just going to save it. Blank document. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it. Okay. As soon as my computer fetches up, right? All right. Not copy. There it goes. Okay. So, oh, it didn't copy it. So let's grab this. So we'll just grab this whole thing right here. We're going to right click. We're going to copy it. We're going to go out here. We're going to paste it. Okay. Now, obviously, you need to go clean this up some. Okay. But you would literally just file and download it and save it with whatever you want to call it. Okay. That's how you create a digital product, whether that be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a video tutorial, or a guide, much like I've shown you how to create here. This is something you create that solves a problem that you can sell for anywhere from $7 to $37. That's what continues to sell in my sleep all the time inside my stand. Next, I'm going to show you how to put it in Stand Store. All right, so let's go. All right, so let's go into Stand Store. Let's take a look at what a Stand Store is, okay? Let me kind of walk you around as to what a Stand Store does. Your Stand Store functions as your link in bio, okay? So the other thing is, this is what your link in bio is, all right? So when you click on Stand Store in TikTok, this is where it's going to take you. This shows you all the things that I offer in here for you to either purchase or are free to get you the help that you need in making money online, whether that be teaching others to make money online or whether that be starting your own digital product business, as this video is designed to show you, and you finding what your passion is that you want to teach other people. If that's underwater basket weaving, great. I expect to see a lot of things and freebies in your Stand Store, Beacons, Linktree, any link in bio service that is related to teaching people how to underwater basket weave. All right. That being said, this is my stand and everything that I offer, but I want to show you how to upload something into Stand. Okay. So inside my stand, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new product. Now this is going to be a digital product. And what we're going to do is inside here, we're going to choose an image. All right. I'm just going to happen to pick one of my images really quick. As soon as it opens, I actually should just pick a regular image because of course it wants to take forever at the moment. Gotta love it. That's how you know it's recorded real time, right? All the little things. Let me go ahead and cancel this. And then, so I'm just going to choose an image. Okay. You can pick out whatever image you choose. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, get my e-course, my template, my guide, my planner, right? And then we're going to choose next. Here's where you choose your pricing options. I'm going to choose another picture. Okay, you obviously want to choose pictures that match or are part of your branding or go with the theme of the digital product you're selling, something to capture someone's attention. You can always generate this description with AI if you choose, okay? You want to tell them what they're going to be getting. And then this is where you set your price, all right? So then you upload your digital product, or if you're sending them to an affiliate link, you can redirect them, like if I was going to upload this, right? Or you can redirect them to a link, all right? And then you simply just publish. Okay. Once you publish, please remember that it does end up at the bottom. So you'll want to make sure you drag it into place where you want to see it. All right. So you'll notice if these don't have price tags, they're free inside of my stand. All right. So that's how you place it in your link in bio service to sell those digital products on repeat in your sleep. No questions asked. People can always come find you. All right. Let's get into the next video. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pull up a story. How do you sell your stuff, right? Where do you sell your stuff? TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, all the places, okay? Here's the cool thing. You want to use a story. You don't want to jam it down their throat, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. That doesn't work, right? So you want to tell a story. This one is one that I absolutely love, okay? This is my story. That's a story. It solves a problem, right? This one didn't have me speaking. You ready? Telling the story, not buy my stuff, okay? That's how this works. All right, guys. So sell the story, not the specs, like I said. Use a line like, I used to forget everything. This checklist saved me, right? That's going to hit your audience harder than buy my planner. It relates to them, okay? You don't need a website. You just need a link. You just need to get that product up in the stand, Linktree, beacons, whatever you choose to use, okay? Pay hip, okay? But that's how I went from broke and exhausted to building a business that makes me money while I sleep. This isn't about overnight riches. Don't get me twisted, okay? It's about learning a skill that can support you for life. If you want real help from people who've done it, like 5 entrepreneurs inside Marketing Engine, that's where my community is at. You can come to our free Marketing Engine call every Tuesday. No pitch, just support. All right. The link's below. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see what you're going to build. Go ahead and tag me in it when you build it.